So this is Boomer, one of the most quiet stallions you'll come across. That's a good boy. He's got a little sticky spot here in the left side of his pelvis at the SI joint. I'm going to adjust this here. Oh, good boy. Good boy. All right, she's saying he's having trouble bringing his head around to the right. So that's what I'm going to work on mostly right now. But he's got some really tight muscles over here. You might be able to see that right here behind his masseter. Or behind his mandible, rather. Kind of like that on both sides. But definitely tighter on the right than the left. That's pretty good there. Oh, good boy. Oh, there's a little release right there. Just with pressure. Good boy. There you go. Good boy. Sometimes if you just have your hand on the right spot, just use the right amount of pressure. You can get good releases there without having to do a big adjustment on it, which is the ideal situation. There we go. Perfect rotation to the shoulder. We'll check the other side. There we go. Good boy. Perfect. All right. Check extension of his head and neck. Good boy. Really good there. Oh, there we go. Good boy. Shake it off, buddy. Go. Good boy. All right. So check this side one more time. Oh. Good boy. Oh, there's another little release there. So I'm just gonna hold this, kind of let him a little bit. Just gonna hold this and let him kind of work it out a little bit. Oh, good boy. There we go. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. There we go. Good boy. Love the lick and chews and the head shakes. That's perfect. There we go. A little yawn there. So all I was doing there was really just holding the stretch, and then, oh, another big yawn. And then they will basically kind of just drop into your pressure. And when they drop, that's when the adjustment comes if they need it. And he definitely needed that one, as you can see. There we go. Really good. Good boy. Get up by yourself. Boy. There we go. Oh, good boy. There we go. Oh. is one of the best mannered stallions you will ever come across. Good boy. Good boy. I've worked on him for a couple years and he's always been this way. It's just a great, great horse. Good boy. Oh, there we go. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. All right. Thanks, Chris. Appreciate it. Thank you, Sierra. Oh, Haley, his name is Boomer. Oh, buddy. Ouch. Good boy. Ooh. Nice release in that knee. Which is not actually a knee, it's a wrist. But for some reason we call it a knee. Oh, good boy. He's so good. You can just tell he enjoys his stretches. Yep. Good boy. Good boy. Awesome. If you guys don't mind tapping that like button for me, I would greatly appreciate it. Just hit that thing for Boomer. Good boy. He's being so good. Let's check his back legs. Oh. Oh, there we go. Good hip stretch there. Good boy.
Boomer, 2610.
Good boy.
Whiskey, 2595.
Whew. Big hip release on that one. Good boy. So all right side. Right side hip, right side pull. And that's where they were having issues with him, was coming around to the right. So that matches. Let's see. Let's check his TMJ and his hyoid. Feels pretty good. And then check this side too. Always check both sides. Nothing there. A little bit there. So let me get this stretched out for him. And I do that by taking the tongue out to the opposite side. He's got to watch out for their canines because those suckers can be sharp. And man, if they get you with those, you're in bad shape. So I just hold the tongue. I'm not pulling it. Just holding it out to the side and letting him work it. You can see how he turns his head and tilts his head while he's doing that. There we go. And really all I'm doing is I'm making him work the muscles on the opposite side. And I'm just trying to stretch those out. So you'll see as he relaxes, that tongue starts to come out farther and farther and farther. And I'm not pulling it, I'm just holding it. But he's basically pulling the head away, stretching those muscles. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. I'll give him that for a second and then recheck. Oh, there we go. How long did it take me to feel comfortable stretching them? I don't know, not too long. I mean, there's a whole bunch of nuances. Like you have to develop your sense of feel, right? And be able to tell when they're relaxing for you versus when they're holding their muscles tight, and when to ask them for more and when to give a little bit back. I would say overall, you know, maybe a year, year and a half, I would guess. But, you know, each horse is different, and I'm just always learning little nuanced things about it. So let's recheck that hyoid. So now you can see that he's just no problem there, totally fine with it. And that's all from just taking the tongue out to the opposite side. Such a cool, easy trick. And it makes a huge difference. Might have to adjust this TMJ because he's a little tender there. Yeah. So let's do that as well. The challenge with that is, oh, good boy. Challenge with the TMJ is usually when you get on it, they want to drop the head. So sometimes I got to have my leg up here to keep their head up while I'm while I'm adjusting, and it gets a little bit tricky. That was easy though. There we go. And that's all gone too. Good boy. All right, so I'm just going to stretch his jaw out, and then I will be all done with Boomer. There you go. Good boy. Let's do this side. Thank you guys for hanging out and watching my live. If you don't mind double tapping your screen or just hitting that like button before I finish up, that would be really appreciated. And he needs his teeth done too, really badly. It's one of the reasons why I like to do this pressure point at the end, because I can check their teeth and see how those look, especially if they have sore, tight TMJs. It's usually caused by bad teeth, so it makes sense that he's sore in his TMJ and in his hyoid on that right side. Good boy. All right. Lovely Jobbly. Oh, and I know you told me how to say your name last time. I'm not even gonna try. I forget. Let's see. All right, so he's all done. Hello, Bianca. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna go get started on another horse. Hello, Christine. Thank you for watching from Ireland once again. It's awesome to see people watching from other countries. Let's see. There we go. Nagaland. Not sure what that is. I mean, Magaland, hopefully. All right. Good boy, buddy.